back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a future upload. And if you want to see how I got this festival look, then just keep watching. First, I'm just going in with a neutral base shade, and I'm putting this on my lid up to my brow bone. Then I'm taking this light brown shade and I'm blending this on the outer and inner parts of my eye. And then just blending it into the crease with a big fluffy brush. Then I'm going in with this deeper brown shade and I'm placing that on the outer and inner parts of my eye as well. And then I'm taking the first shade that we started out with just to blend out all the edges so everything is seamless. And for my lower lash line, I'm going back in with that deep brown shade. And then for the center of my lid, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And then I'm putting this shimmery shade right where I put the concealer. To highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I'm going in with the shade Luna from the Aurora Glow Kit. And then I'm just curling my lashes, adding mascara and some false lashes. And then for the next part, I'm just placing some silver rhinestones in random places. Then to contour my face, I'm going in with my NYX Wonder Stick.
Once you leave me, it's over. No turning back, not today. Don't you come running back now.
And then for my bronzer, I'm just using this Wet n Wild contour palette.
Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. Ooh, baby, blame no one but you. You chose to keep the truth inside. Ooh, baby, keep my all.
From the same palette, I'm going in with the neutral powder underneath my bronzer to highlight. And also down the center of my nose.
It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone.
And for my blush, I'm going in with the shade How Deep Is Your Love from Too Faced.
I won't resist the no. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone.
And for my highlight on my cheekbones, nose, and cupid's bow, I'm going in with the shade Luna from the Aurora Glow Kit. For my lips, I'm starting off with Marc Jacobs Slow Burn Lip Liner. And then over the top, I'm going in with my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream.
Leave me here, you were never good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never try.
And over the top of that, I'm also going in with the NYX Lip Gloss in the shade Nude Peach.
You were just a pain when you felt it all. Oh, something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we
And then to set my face, I just used my ColourPop Rose Quartz setting spray. Then I'm just going in with my white Wet n Wild paint pot to put lines on my chin, under my eyes, and on my collarbones.